Spy shots from Giga Texas have just revealed the 2025 Tesla Model 2 undergoing early testing. This would be a sleek, compact EV that could soon make owning a Tesla for around $10,799 a reality once tax credits are applied. In this video, we'll show you why this car is an absolute steal. A rare opportunity to own a Tesla masterpiece at a fraction of the price you'd expect. But this opportunity won't last long since new legislation known as the Beautiful Bills threatens to eliminate the $7,500 tax credit in just a few months. Meaning if you don't act fast, you might miss out on owning this game-changing vehicle at such an unbeatable price. To stay ahead of these changes and be able to grab Tesla's deals that could save you thousands, subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. What do these spy shots reveal about the Model 2? For the first time, spy shots have revealed what appears to be the long-rumored Tesla Model 2 undergoing testing at Giga Texas, Tesla's flagship manufacturing facility in Austin. The prototype vehicle was seen covered in heavy camouflage, but even through the wrap, several details stand out. The body proportions suggest a compact 5-door hatchback format, likely designed for urban use. Compared to the Tesla Model 3, the Model 2 appears approximately 25% smaller, with an estimated length of about 165 in versus the Model 3's 184.8 inches. The wheelbase is expected to be around 106 in, allowing Tesla to retain cabin comfort while shrinking the car's footprint. Curb weight is projected to be close to 3,200 pounds, significantly lighter than the Model 3's 3,900 pounds thanks to structural simplifications like Giga chassis sections and fewer mechanical parts. Visually, the design appears focused on aerodynamic efficiency. The vehicle features newly styled aerodynamic wheels, likely intended to minimize rolling resistance. The front end is notably shorter and more tapered than other Tesla models, which should help reduce air drag and improve overall efficiency. At the rear, a nearly flat upright windshield suggests Tesla has optimized the car's airflow to reduce drag turbulence. Every visual cue suggests Tesla is refining this new platform, not just to meet affordability goals, but also to deliver strong range and performance in a compact package. While affordability is the Model 2's headline feature, performance is by no means being sacrificed. Tesla is expected to equip the car with its next-generation 4,680 structural battery pack version 2.0, which is currently undergoing real-world validation in the recently refreshed Model 3 Highland. The Model 2's battery capacity is estimated at 57 to 60 kilowatt-hours, utilizing LFP chemistry for cost and safety benefits, while the structural design helps reduce weight and improve rigidity. Thanks to this setup, the Model 2 is projected to deliver an EPA-estimated range of around 350 miles, roughly 20% more than competitors like the Chevy Bolt EUV, which tops out at around 280 miles. Despite being an entry-level EV, the Model 2 is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.9 seconds, which is similar to performance crossovers like the BMW X1 or Mazda CX-5. Its top speed is expected to be around 110 miles per hour, suitable for freeway driving and typical commuting. Tesla also plans to support V4 supercharging for the Model 2, offering 10 to 80% charging in under 25 minutes via the NACS charging standard. This will make long distances travel practical even in a compact budget EV. Elon Musk confirmed during Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call that the Model 2 remains firmly on track for a late 2025 release. He stated, we're still planning to release models this year. As with all launches, we're working through like the last minute, and I'm confident that will be, available in many cities in the US by the end of this year. Tesla expects to complete its final phase of testing in Q2 2025. This will include stress tests on the new 4680 battery packs, cold weather evaluations, and safety validation for US and European regulators. In the third quarter of 2025, Tesla plans to begin limited pre-production at Giga Texas with an initial run of 10,000 to 20,000 vehicles designed to validate its assembly lines, AI-driven robotic systems, and production tolerances. By Q4 2025, Tesla is expected to open up Model 2 reservations, likely with priority given to existing Tesla ecosystem users such as Solar Roof or Starlink customers. Mass production and global deliveries are set to begin in Q1 2026 with a first-year target of 300,000 to 500,000 units. Initial markets will include the US, Canada, and select European countries. What feature of the Model 2 excites you the most based on the spy shots? Comment 1 for its compact size, perfect for city driving. 2 for the impressive 350 m range. 3 for the quick 0 to 60 acceleration, or drop Model 2 if you love them all. Why is Tesla's new production method a game share for the masses? Tesla's new production method for the upcoming Model 2 isn't just a tweak to its existing process. It's a complete reinvention of how cars are made. At the heart of this transformation is what Tesla calls the unbox process, a radical shift from the traditional vehicle assembly line. Instead of moving a car chassis down a single conveyor belt where parts are added sequentially, Tesla breaks the vehicle down into large subassemblies, including the front, rear battery pack, and cabin that are built in parallel. These modules are then joined together at the final stage of assembly. This horizontal and modular layout slashes the physical length of the production line by more than 40%. And significantly reduces the number of touch points required per vehicle. At the same time, Tesla also expects to cut total production time per vehicle to under 10 hours. For reference, most traditional automakers take 25 to 30 hours to build a single internal combustion engine vehicle using linear assembly lines. Even Tesla's current Model 3 and Y production lines average around 12 to 14 hours per car. By shaving hours off each unit, Tesla not only saves labor and energy costs, but also boosts total factory throughput. This production revolution is supercharged by Tesla's deep integration of artificial intelligence and robotics across its new assembly lines. AI-powered cameras and machine learning models perform real-time quality control, scanning and validating every weld, panel alignment, and connection before the car moves to the next step. Tesla claims this reduces quality control bottlenecks by over 70%, improving the first-pass yield rate to nearly 98%. Robotic systems now handle tasks like multi-axis welding, paint coating, and part alignment with sub-millimeter precision.